Hey guys, it's Katie with Four Patriots and welcome to my victory garden. As you can see, we're just getting started here, but in no time, I'm gonna have a bunch of fresh food for the picking. It's something my whole family can enjoy, knowing that they had a hand in growing it. Having your own survival or victory garden used to be pretty common, but it hasn't really been as popular until recently. As more of us are practicing social distancing and avoiding the grocery stores as much as possible, starting your own victory garden is a necessity. We've got more time on our hands, and if you're like me, you've got kids to occupy too. So getting out in the yard and starting your own garden is a perfect activity for the whole family. There's something therapeutic about working in the dirt, and once you get a chance to harvest the bounty of your hard work, it's pretty rewarding. Planting and maintaining your own survival garden isn't just for homesteaders or people living off-grid. I live right in the middle of the city, and I started my own garden right here in my backyard. Really, anyone who wants to eat a healthy diet could use their own garden, and believe me, the effort you put in is paid back tenfold. For starters, having your own survival garden means you'll have access to the very first things that get scarfed up in an emergency: fresh produce. I don't know about your stores, but the ones around me were stripped clean of fruits and veggies as soon as the coronavirus crisis hit. It was a wake-up call. You can't always depend on others to provide for you. You have to learn to do it yourself. Having your own garden also means you know exactly how your fresh fruit and veggies are grown. There's nothing genetically modified or doused in harsh chemicals or even force ripened here. That's because we're not growing food to be shipped halfway across the country or even around the world. It's a short trip from the backyard to the kitchen table. And once you have your own garden, you'll be picking food at the peak of flavor and nutrition, so it's healthier for you, and believe me, it tastes better too. And guess what? You'll probably have enough to either share with friends and neighbors or start canning, freezing, or dehydrating. Having fresh fruits and vegetables now and later is not only healthy, but it's money saving too. Organic fruits and vegetables are expensive. Just think about it. I ordered the Four Patriots Victory Garden Seed Collection for less than I would spend on one normal run through the produce section of the grocery store, and my family would be set with fruits and vegetables for months to come. And with proper care, you'll be able to harvest veggies for years with a single set of seeds. So it's not just self-reliant, it's smart and economical too. When it comes down to it, having your own victory garden really has no downside. It's great exercise and entertainment, it's healthy and nutritious, it's budget conscious, and it helps guarantee that you'll have food when you need it. All you need to get started are some seeds, fresh dirt, water, and a little bit of elbow grease. And it doesn't hurt to have some cute helpers too. If you want to learn more about the Victory Garden Seed Collection, click the link in the description of this video. Supplies are limited, so if you're ready to get started, now is the time. Thanks for watching this video. While you're here, make sure you subscribe to our Four Patriots YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. Happy gardening!